you're looking for a cheap, fast, reliable place to buy coins, make sure to check out FIFA down below. You can use Swag One to get 5% off your order. Swag One? My pack log is on a different planet. Most people call me the pack king. Literally, I can just make it rain whenever I want. My pack log's so sick. See, I pack like 4 legends, 2 Messis, 2 Ibras. So yeah, if you get 10,000 likes, that'd be freaking awesome. I got a subscriber special coming out soon, and a new series on the weekend. So yeah, enjoy the packs. Get low when the whistle goes. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, next pack, yo. I'm in love with the 100k pack. Black Friday, OP. And you know what? Who do we get? Vandersaw! I don't care! I don't even care how late it is! Shut up! I can't believe this! No way! Holy shit! Holy freaking shit! That's my third legend this month! I got nasty! Oh my days, Bob! Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh, when have I ever gone sick? Oh my days! Lord have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy! Oh. From this pack opening alone, I've made so much profit just from this pack opening. It's crazy. No! No! I don't even care! Thank God, bitches! Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my god! Holy freaking shit! You won't see Ronaldo and the legend in one pack opening. Ronaldo and the legend in one pack opening. Right, last 100k pack out. This huge 100k pack opening. Come on, EA. Treat your boy Gib to some. No! No! No, 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 no! 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 Holy shit! Holy shit! I can't believe it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my thing! I can't believe it! I legit can't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't. Oh, what do I do? Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my freaking days! Oh my days! This is honestly mad! This is honestly mad! I can't believe it! Holy shit! Holy freaking shit! Oh my days! Nah, nah. Oh my god! What? I go and pull the best team of the week! Oh my god! Oh my days, nah. How much? He got for 500k! What? Full pack, baby. Come on. Who are we gonna get? Come on, Alaba on the front. Come on, Alaba, my boy. Give me something good. Something good. Give me something good. Dennis. You know what I think of you, Dennis? Do you know what I think of you?
I don't fuck with you. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck about.
Holy shit! No! Shit! You know who's mad? Me 2018! That's my boy! It was the nose pack! That let me go even Bun Ronaldo! Bun freaking Ronaldo! Man got freaking Zlatan! These packs are dead. These packs have been dead for me. These packs have been absolutely dead for me. Come on, skip it. Oh my god! Holy shit! I got 5 legends and Muller, Gunner, and an Inform! A legend and Inform soar straight to club! Oh my god! Yo! That was worth it! A legend and an Inform! Opens it with his nose and has it on the front. We skip. Oh my god! Oh my days! What the fuck? Hazard! His physical is shit.
His defending is shit, and all he can do is pass. Well, and that's even shit. Who would use this guy? Come on, Hazard at the front. Give me something good, please. Just give me something good. Hazard. Hazard. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! Man got Ibra! Man just got Ibra! Oh my days! Oh my days! I got Messi the other day, bro! Oh no! Pagok's too good. Skip? Oh, we got Yaya Toure! Nah! Yo, this is legit the quickest pack opening ever done, so I got Skip, and we get Rooney! Oh my god, that's Roy Alaba! Yo, that's a sick 100. We just got two informed Alaba, Royce, and Rooney! Holy shit!
Fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch.
Does it? No! No! I swear I just saw a legend! I swear I just saw a legend! I swear I just saw a legend! No! I can't believe that! I legit didn't even see the pack. Okay, the camera's here and the TV's here. I swear to God I did not see that. I can't believe that. I honestly can't believe that. Oh my thing! Let's look at this. Look. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Look at this, I'm opening my pack. I'm so cocky. What's there? Van Nistelrooy. Freaking Van Nistelrooy. I can't fucking believe that. Hook an Arab up and we get... Oh, inform! Inform! Possibly the shittest inform of the team of the week. I don't care. He goes for discard value. I don't care. Oh, we get Cisse. Nah. Oh, what? He goes for like 11k. Holy shit. It's on a 3rd and 4th! We get Papis again! Oh my god, yo, I don't get my back like his neck! Holy shit! Yo, I swear! He goes for a shit ton! Oh! Oh, he goes for like 250k! You know what, let's hit some superstitions! Elbow pack! Pow! Fuck! Nah! No! And man gets Ramos! Man gets Ramos! Yo, my pack got CB, I'm out! I'm out! Oh my god, Navas! Yo, he goes for like 15k! Oh, Willian! Legit best pack opening EU. Come on, baby, give me something good. Oh my god! Ah! What the fuck? Yo! Oh my days! Alright, cool. First pack, baby. First pack. You know what? We're gonna skip as soon as it's up. We're gonna skip. Oh my god! We got Neuer and Iniesta. Yo, shut up! Shut up! Call me Deji! Oh my god. Oh my... Oh, we get Lewandowski! Nah! Let it spin and we get... And we're gonna skip. Oh, we got Yaya Toure. Nah.
Get low when the whistle go.
Oh! Yes! Finally! A while. And I've broken my headset. Sick. Neuer! And freaking O'Connor!